As New York City continues to reopen, we start to see more and more of its iconic attractions reopen. Like today, we're going to the Bronx Zoo and the New York Botanical Garden, which have reopened. Let's go! So the zoo was a lot of fun. There's a lot of things that were closed, unfortunately, like the gorillas were not available. Giraffes, didn't see any giraffes. All the indoor things, the bird exhibits, the indoor stuff like the lizards, reptiles. I mean, we saw some stuff, so. A bunch of exhibits that were closed, unfortunately, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's still fun to get outside, see the animals that were available outside, and walk around, get a good walk in. Now, on to the Botanical Garden. Thing to definitely note is you should get tickets ahead of time. On their website, you can buy tickets, reserved tickets for whatever day you want to go. And also note that Wednesdays, they do have free admission if you get a ticket the day before, I believe, or I think they actually go available the Monday night before around 5 o'clock. Check the website, it's under the tickets. I'm here at the New York Botanical Garden, which is just north of the Bronx Zoo. And they also require masks just like the Bronx Zoo, and I also suggest getting reservations online. In fact, I think that's required as well. Wednesdays, if you are a resident of New York City, you can sign up for free admission on Wednesdays. So that's definitely worth looking into if you're a New York City resident. Here in the Bronx. And no, you cannot say just Bronx. You have to say the Bronx. Why? Because it's the law. New York Botanical Garden, 1891. 1891, 250 acres. Let's go take a look. Yes, carving harms tree. But when you put up a sign like that, what happens? People go to town on the trees. Nice. I'm forest bathing. So there's a great app from Bloomberg called Bloomberg Connects, and it features a number of places like the Central Park Conservatory or Central Park Conservancy, Drawing Center, Frick Collection, Guggenheim, and also the New York Botanical Gardens. And it has a map in there, has history about the gardens, has the ongoing exhibits currently, so it's a wealth of information. Definitely worth it to download, called Bloomberg Connects. Important things to note. Masks are obviously required, and bring comfortable shoes because the trams ain't running currently. This is the perennial garden at the Botanical Garden. COVID, the hot conservatory is closed, so unfortunately I won't be smelling the corpse flower today. But I should say the Botanical Gardens are still a beautiful day, feeling like you're getting out of the city, back to nature. You get to see a bunch of flowers. The roses are in bloom, surrounded by green. It's nice. It's quiet. No sirens. Calm. Worth the trip. It's been an absolutely gorgeous day here in New York, and a gorgeous day here at the Botanical Garden and the Bronx Zoo. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you next time.